Apple also took the opportunity to update with the new spring colors of Apple Watch bands and iPhone cases. The new shades are all vivid and colorful to celebrate the imminent arrival of warm weather in the USA. For the Apple Watch, Apple's sports band is recently available in Spearmint Green, Delft Blue and Orange Papaya. The Nike Sport Band has new styles of black/hyper grape, Spruce Fog/vintage Lichen and Teal/tropical twist. Leather tie can now be collected in Spruce Fog, Hyper Grape, White Summit, Teal Tint and Black. The leather bands were updated as well. Leather loop is now available in Sunset and Cornflower, while the modern buckle comes in Cornflower, Sunset and Lilac. The Hermes Double Tour is also updated with several new colors. For iPhone, there is an updated version of the smart battery case for the XS in pink sand. The standard silicone cases now appear in Spearmint, Papaya and Delft Blue. Leather case is also taken from the Apple Watch bands that come in Cornflower, Sunset and Lilac.